Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today, I don't like the way this camera is sitting. So today I'm on here looking oily, I'm sorry. But my baby shower was today and I decided, okay, since my face is so oily. Since I'm somewhat looking cute, this camera is just not doing me any justice at all. But since I have my nice wig on, my lashes, I'm gonna go ahead and review some things because this baby is coming really soon and I'm gonna be out of commission for a while, so I'll have these videos on back file so that people will be able to watch them. Anyways, so as you guys know, I recently took my dreads down. I combed them out. If you want to see that video, I will link it below and let you guys see that. But I wanted to buy some clip-ins because y'all know I did a video probably like 2-3 years ago, but I had some clip-ins that match my hair. So these clip-ins that I got this time, they're not the same clip-ins. They're from Amazon, and so I wanted to come on here and do an unpackaging. I actually bought this, y'all, and I canceled the order because it took too long to get to me, and I wanted to have it before my baby shower, but they didn't get here enough in time for me to do that. So anyways, let's get started. So this is a little Amazon package it came in. When you pull it out, this doesn't look like what I wanted at all. Where did I get this one? I'm gonna let y'all know. I'll put it somewhere in here. But oh my goodness, I'm already disappointed. So look, the hair is already cracked open. I don't even want to say cracked open. Oh, they sent me some lashes though. So they sent me some lashes. I got these in the 18-inch. Now these were cheaper than the other ones I got because I used an Amazon gift card to get it. So that's probably why, you know, it's not really packaged too cute. But anyways, they send you 2 extra clips. This just really look like some beauty supply store packaging. I love beauty supply store packaging, but beauty supply store hair, but this just looks like packaging. So anyways, look, don't this look like the beauty supply store? This don't look like nothing you order offline. But I'm not gonna knock it till I try it, sis, okay? So it says Saga Queen premium quality human hair extensions. On the back it got how to care for the human hair extensions, wash it, how to wash it, how to use, but it tells you how to deep condition it, keep the ends trimmed, and it has a number for you to contact them on it. So I think it's supposed to be 9 clips, 9 pieces. So let's see. Okay, y'all, so this might not be too bad after all, because the hair doesn't feel bad at all. So this is, ooh, okay, forgive me, Amazon. Oh, forgive me, because this, y'all, girl. So I only got 1 bundle. Girl, how do I get this open? Be on it. But look, so here's one, and it has 4 clips on it. So this has to be one of the longer lengths on the side of my head. Oh, girl. Girl. I'm going to have me a little length or whatever. But that's one of the clips. Oh, my goodness. Their packaging was not cute, y'all, but I'm feeling real lucky. This is another clip. So this one, another track. So this one has 3 clips on it. This one has 3 clips on it. So that's 4 pieces. That's 5. This has 3 clips on it. This one has 2 clips on it. 6. Uh-oh. Another 2 clipper. 7. Okay. Oh, this is supposed to be 8. Oh, it had 2 clips on it. 8 and then 9, 10. And you're only really supposed to get 9. Y'all look at that pattern. That is so cute. You can't judge a book by its cover, y'all. I feel bad, but I say that they are 18-inch. This is a 4C, 4B, 4C texture, and it is human hair. So yeah, and it's really soft. So yes, look at that pattern, y'all. That is gorgeous. But anyways, I will definitely talk to you guys later. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, oh, and I said my baby shower was today. I got a video, like a vlog video, but it's like 20 minutes. And I gotta edit that out. So more than likely, this video will be posted before the baby shower video. But stay tuned so you guys can see. It was amazing. It was really fun. So anyways, talk to you later. Bye.